respected man, the cowskin on the October horse. He rides on the 6XX. Vermin respected man, big cowskin on the October horse. He rides on the 6th. After prayers, and I consume my 3 beers, will offer the bones of your cock to the dog. And what you remain will bury beneath the dung of our camp tonight. First gets 5 ripe rice pipes, skin light sock, blow and die. 3 times 3 thrice. If you're not most high by the night, once dead, the fuck am I gonna do? Take the fucking red and blue cock sucking pill? That's purple. You better give me a blow.
Is the necessity to me write a letter. In Welsh, we see a combination of preposition and pronoun, but the pronoun is a simple definite article. In Hebrew, melech means a king. Hamelech means the king. This is the definite article here, ha. But in insular Celtic languages and Semitic languages, the equivalent of and can also create the meaning of a subordinate clause. It can be circumstantial, like when or as. For example, in Arabic,
لقد رآني وأنا صاعد.
This means he saw me as I was coming out. Wa is the word meaning and, but here it's used to mean while or as. In Irish, the word agus is the word for and, but here it means while or as. The word for and can also create contrastive meaning, similar to although or but. For example, in Hebrew, Vayhi ra'av bechol ha'aratzot uvechol eretz Mitzrayim haya lachem. This means, and there was famine in all the lands, but in all the land of Egypt there was food. It's interesting to note that in English, the word while can be used with both a contrastive meaning and with a circumstantial meaning, so it might be a good alternative translation for these words meaning and. In demonstrating these similarities, I've been using Semitic languages, but the same similarities can be found in other languages in other branches of the Afro-Asiatic language family, not only the Semitic branch. Languages like Amazigh, also known as Berber, and Ancient Egyptian also correspond in similar ways. Now the question is, why do those similarities exist between insular Celtic languages and Semitic and Afro-Asiatic languages? They could just be a set of typological similarities, meaning that these features they arose as a result of contact. Celtic languages now are mostly limited to Great Britain and Ireland, as well as Brittany in France. Some non-Indo-European vocabulary in Germanic languages. Again, many linguists have challenged his theories and emphasized their speculative nature. The truth is that we don't know exactly what kind of languages were spoken in prehistoric times, or what kind of contact they had with each other. What we do know is that the insular Celtic languages are curiously different from other Indo-European languages in certain ways, and in those same ways, they seem similar to Semitic and Afro-Asiatic languages. Beyond that, imagining how that situation came about is merely a fascinating